Okay, so today I got some paper and pen and such, and we're gonna work on this roll pan. See if I can make one. I got an idea. So before I can make my template, I've got to be able to see exactly where my tailgate lines up. So I'm gonna put my hardware on just temporarily, see if I can get it lined up so I'll know exactly where the tail pan is gonna meet. Okay, quick tip. Putting your tailgate on, I got hooked on that end. Here's the hardware. And I put it up in here like this. Then you can raise it from inside. You won't do it any other way that I'm aware of. There you go. You're welcome. Okay, tailgate's in place. Obviously I still gotta paint it. Just hadn't got around to it, but now I can see where everything goes. I know I've got a few little touch-up places. I don't know what happened here, but I'll touch that up when I paint the white. This just gives me an idea of where my roll pan needs to be. I think it needs to sit somewhere right in here so the tailgate don't hit it, but up high enough to where it's not a huge gap. Yeah, there we go. Got it? Now I gotta have one on each end and then 6 feet something across the middle. I need a top and I need to decide what I'm gonna do with the bottom. I think I'm just gonna round it off. That's what I'm doing. All right, so here's the bed off of the old truck that we started with. And I have marked on my template here, it run down 69 inches. I know I got a little bit of, ain't real straight right down through here, but I don't need all this. I think I'm gonna cut off somewhere right in here. I can straighten it out, that won't be a problem. I mean, it's trash, so we're not gonna use it for anything, obviously. I don't wanna let anything go to waste. All this is generally okay. It's gonna need some shaping, but that's a lot of metal I can use. And here's where I cut my template out. And it's not perfect, but man, that's like real close. I'll just need a little bit of shaping. So I got myself plenty extra. I'm gonna got the cut. There's what's going to become my roll pan, and it was free. And just in case you're wondering, this is what the inside looks like. And I don't know if you can see this, no wonder these trucks like to rust out right here. Look at all that. Yep. No wonder. Okie doke. Let's see what we can do with this. So I made these pieces too. I just cut them out. They're kind of rough. There's my line on my template. I'm going to try to shape them down with the flap wheel. And they will go here, right in there. Not that tight, obviously. I got a second one too. And then I got to do something with that. All right, got it in there. I mean, you know, just trim. Fits flush against the back. I'm sorry, flush against the back here. Fits good right here. Run my finger across, it's good. So that one's good to go. I got a little bit more time this afternoon. Let's see if I can go work on this one. Trying to straighten this because this is the dent side. This will be the top of my roll pan. It pretty much won't be seen until you put the tailgate down, but I'll body work it anyway. That's what I'm doing. I'm using a wood block, try to knock it into shape. My neighbors love me.